Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to fix long video missing and only showing reels. If your Facebook app only shows reels and the long videos are missing, it usually means that your video tab is not properly set up or has been hidden in your account settings. This can happen after an app update, a change in your navigation preferences, or a temporary glitch in the platform. To bring back long videos, you will need to check your video settings and make sure the video tab is visible and correctly configured. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Here, tap on the settings icon to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the tab bar option and tap on it. Next, tap on Customize the bar. In this section, you will see a list of features, including the video option, which may currently show auto next to it. Tap on Auto and select Pin to make sure it stays on your tab bar. After that, tap on Pinned and select Auto to refresh the setting. Now, tap on Auto and choose Hide to remove it temporarily. Once the video tab is hidden, you will notice a hidden option next to it. Tap on Hidden and then select Auto to restore it back to default. Now, go back to the main menu and tap on See More. Then tap on Reels and scroll through the section to check if long videos are appearing again, along with Reels. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you got some value. See you in the next one.